Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to make a visualization on a map in Microsoft Power BI in 10 minutes. I'll use zip code. A zip code is a number used in the United States to help identify specific areas for mailing. It makes mail delivery faster and also helps with things like advertising and gathering information about a location. Outside the US, other countries have their own postal codes. But sometimes US websites ask for a zip code even if you're in another country. Postal codes, including zip codes, make it easier to identify locations around the world. But I won't search for every single data zip code. I will show you how to make it easy to visualize the headquarters addresses of 21 world-famous companies on a map with zip codes. Here is an explanation of how it is done. 1. Create data using ChatGPT. 2. Transfer the data generated by ChatGPT into Excel. 3. Import data from Excel into Power BI. 4. Visualize on a Power BI map. First of all, start by creating your data. Enter the content in the ChatGPT prompt like this. The following header content should be used to indicate the type of matter you wish to compare or analyze. Country name, headquarters, country, state, city, zip code, approximate number of employees, market capitalization, recent stock price, primary business. Let's check the data. What do you think? Add the country code to the zip code to make the data more easily captured by Power BI. This is an important point. Next, you may want to change the number of employees, market capitalization, stock price. All of these should be changed to numerical values. Now once again, instruct ChatGPT to modify the data as you see it. Thanks. So could you add this data of 1. Zip code. Could you begin with country code? 2. Market capitalization. Could you change to integer value? In this way, try country code - zip code. Then try converting it to a numeric value. As you can see, you've done it. Copy and paste the entire table into a new sheet in a new Excel file. The value of market capitalization is shown as 2.7 E plus 12. This is scientific or exponential notation for very large numbers, which prevents overflow if the calculation results in a very large number. If the Excel calculation results in a large number that exceeds the number of digits that can be displayed, it automatically switches to scientific notation. For example, the meaning of 2.7 E plus 12 in Excel is 2.7 multiplied by 10 times 12. So you can leave it as it is here though. If you want to display a larger value, you can use Ctrl+1 to select number and then number in category in the Format Cells dialog box to display the number, and General to switch back to scientific notation. Here we will change it once to number for better visibility, but normally it is not necessary to change it. To select the entire table, Ctrl+Shift+*. To make it a table, use Ctrl+T button to set the first row as the header. Now let's save the Excel file in table format to the desktop next. How to import your Excel file into Power BI? Let's do it! Create a report view like this one, which you saw at the beginning of this video. First of all, open the Power BI desktop app. Select Blank Report. The home screen appears. Add data to your report is displayed. Click Import Data to your report, which has an Excel icon. Select an Excel file with world-famous companies in table format. Select Open. On the navigator screen, check Table. Scroll through the table on the right and look around the entire table. There are no problem areas, no data that is not displayed or displayed differently. Select the Load button. Data is being imported. Yes, the data is now completely imported. The table exists in data at the right end of the screen. Expand the table, and you can see that each header is present. Now select the second table view from the top at the left end. The imported data will be displayed. First, click on the zip code header. In the Column Tools tab, make sure that data type is text and format is text. The next important point is the data category, where the drop-down list is place. The place should be selected here. In addition, for market capitalization number of employees, select the thousands separated by commas. Select Report View at the top left and return. Let's create a visual in Visualization on the right. Create a table. Select Table and drag and drop data into the columns. For example, we will store company name, country name, and zip code. This is the very basic way to create a Power BI report view. Finally, create a map. In the report view, select an area where nothing exists. Select the map icon in the Build Visual. For example, if I set country name to location and company name to legend and market capitalization to bubble size, the results will just be grouped into the central part of the country. For location, select zip code. For legend, select country name or company name. For bubble size, select market capitalization. Drag and drop each of them. Yes, it's done. Enjoy creating dashboards that combine formatting, visualization, tables, slicers, cards, and more. We hope you will also enjoy visualizing your countries and regions information with zip code and maps. Please share it with your colleagues at work and your friends at school. Thank you for taking the time to read this video. We will continue to introduce information useful for your work and study. Thank you for watching.